me about, everybody talks about AI, machine learning, and where does it fit into your world and your business?
Sure. So we are the AI startup company trying to apply AI into the investment process, either making ETF or providing model portfolio solution to other financial institutions. So we are a B2B provider. So we are applying AI into specifically to finding the problem solving for the financial market. Our main goal is trying to find a sustainable return over the time. So we do utilizing similar technologies of what ChatGPT is using, but we only narrowing down into financial markets.
So you're using AI to make good investments, right?
Exactly.
I mean, that's basically it.
Yeah.
Some people look at the balance sheet, and if it doesn't have enough cash flow, out. If it doesn't, what are some of do you have to teach AI some of the parameters that you're looking for and describe to AI what makes a good stock to you before it can go searching?
A very good question. So there are three core components of the AI to learn the financial market and trying to solve the problems. One is what types of data the AI wants to use. We need to select the data set. Second is the architecturing of the AI engine itself. The last one is a training methodology of the training the AI to get the insight, machine insight, to analyzing the navigating market downturn, etc. So we are specializing this area, and we're applying this into the ETF space since 2019. Our QRFT AIMOM was available since 2019 NYSE, and we just launched another one today, AIDB.
Okay, so we should look at those ticker symbols. AIDB is the one from today.
Yeah, right.
And what was the other one?
QRFT, US large cap. And the other
which goes with Qraft, right?
Yes,
that makes sense there. That being said, so today's one that we were focusing on, and that why you're here today, Qraft AI Pilot US Large Cap Dynamic Beta and Income ETF. So what kind of companies are in there?
So this one is actually more like asset allocation type of ETF. So this AIDB is leveraging our AI to switching between the US large cap and then income or the cash position. So basically, when our AI model is telling is time to participate in the market, 100% go to the US equity. But when our model is telling the signal is there is a downside risk, then it goes down to the cash for the downside protections.
Wow, so it's timing the market.
Yes, timing the market,
is
exactly.
What it really is doing.
Exactly.
So AI obviously can use technical charts, highs and lows and things like that.
Yeah.
I mean, does it know that the debt ceiling has a June 1st deadline?
AI itself doesn't have that information, but there is a...
Does it matter?
It matters because the debt ceiling, as we're getting close, and still the debt ceiling is not solved yet. So there is the anxiety in the market is leaving some signal or mark into the data set. Like today we are seeing the VIXs are getting close to 20 plus.
Yes.
And that those types of the input data changes actually impacting into our AI models decision making.
Right. What would you like to see happen here? This is a large cap fund, right? You're going in and out of large cap equities or into cash, depending on how much risk you think there may be in the market. AI thinks there is in the market. What would you like to see ideally? I mean, for the company here, you're the managing director here, you're head of ETFs. When someone says, what are you hoping to see in 1 year, 5 years? I mean, are you going to tell me that you want AI to beat the market by 20% or something insane? Which would be great.
First of all, our QRFT has been beating the market over the time. It's been the 4-year anniversary only this
4 years.
Week. Yeah, this Monday.
And how have you done over the last 4 years versus the S&P?
Delivering 12 percent point outperformance over the SPY.
Oh, so that's a big deal.
Yeah. We are the probably only one AI ETF provider able to beat the market over the long term. So you talk about like what I want to or what our company want to do in the 1 to 5 years. So it could be bold statements, but I envision there will be the day that AI will be set another the beta in the market, beta in the market. Right now, the conventional beta in the market is about all the market cap weighted indexes. But if the AI is continuously proving itself to providing able to deliver better performance, better than the market cap, then it could become another beta to the market.
Interesting. Yeah. So does AI like AI companies?
For this month,
first
yes.
Of all,
yes.
I mean, like look at NVIDIA,
right?
I mean, that it could be just an indication right there.
Yeah, one of our ETF, AMOM, and its top holding this month is NVIDIA.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, last month it was taking favor into the, it shows a favor into the Apple, but this month the AMOM is taking out Apple and getting into the NVIDIA and Meta. Those are AI-related companies become one of our most favorable AI conviction list for our AI ETFs as well.
Oh, so it's been moving out of Apple and into NVIDIA and Meta was the other one, right?
Yes.
It's very interesting. How many ETFs, roughly, are there that the company is sort of
overseeing? We currently have a full ETFs in NIS right now, and 3 of them are stock selection. The new one today is the asset allocation model.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, when you think about this asset allocation, so it's basically equities or cash.
Yes.
It doesn't incorporate crypto or T-bills or things like that. Would you like to see some variety?
We do already have the variety or the multi-asset the solution that we're providing to the other financial institutions, like SMA signal to them, but not yet into the ETF space yet.
Right.
So in one day, possibly, yes.
So I mean, when you talk about beating the S&P over 12 percentage points, roughly. Okay, let's say 10% plus over the last 4 years. You have no way of knowing if that will continue. Is there anything you can count on here?
I think that one of the distinctive advantages of the AI compared to the human portfolio manager is the AI doesn't have ego. AI doesn't have emotional biases. Yes, it doesn't have attachment to its original stock selections.
Right.
Yeah, like I was a portfolio manager a long time back, but it's always like when I select some stocks, I keep piling up the stocks. Or the reason of not to sell because this is stock I love, but it doesn't have that. It's cold-blooded. So.
I mean, would you feel comfortable saying it's likely it will beat the S&P at least?
I believe so.
Likely to beat. Would that go for all of the names that we talked about, or at least the AI-driven one, right? The AIDB.
AIDB could be interesting for the long-term investment, like not a buy and hold, but buy and hold or hedge.
Right.
And that is done by
AI. The other one Qraft has done very well. QRFT. Great to chat with you. This is great. I'm glad you're here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.